Welcome my dear ethical hackers. In the previous video, we saw how we can receive incoming emails using temporary emails. Now, what if you want to send an outgoing email? Now, how do we create a fake email? This is what we are going to learn in this video, how a penetration tester, how a hacker can spoof emails. There is a tool called impersonation.cz. The purpose of this tool is that you can send anonymous emails. So if you don't want to reveal your actual email address and you still want to send somebody an email, you can actually go ahead and do that. Let's try a hands-on. Type in imkei.cz and let us see if we can create a fake email. These kind of tools are used by hackers for social engineering purposes to fool people. We are going to use it only for educational purposes. Please do not use this for committing any kind of pranks or any crime. This is only for educational purposes, my dear friends. So here we are. Let us say that I am sending an email from a popular CEO of a popular company. So I'm just typing in the name of that particular person and I'm getting an email to myself. This is my genuine email address and I am putting in the details, subject, please work in my company, and people usually get fooled. Okay, or it could be something like, you are hired as a cybersecurity expert in the company's name. And there you can put in the details. Whatever will be put over here. Hi Jasmine, I am a great fan of yours and would love to have you over in my company. Please join my firm. The salary for you is $1 million. Please join ASAP. We need experts like you. So as you can see, this is a completely a fake email that I have created, okay, and I have purposely made it a little exaggerated so you can make out that it is there. But let us see if we can get away with creating an email like this, and will I actually receive the email of something like this. Let us click on the captcha and it's asking me to solve, okay, the box that has all the objects included, okay. Let's click on send. Okay, email has been sent successfully. Did I really receive it? Let's see. So it's a fake email that we have generated from a fake email address. So let's see if I receive it now. And there you can see that we have received such an email coming from the CEO himself. Let's just double click. And there, wow, not bad, right? So we have generated a complete fake email and it is coming from this particular thing. This spoofing emails can be misused by a lot of people for a lot of things because there's no way that it can be traced back to you, but this is dangerous. So what if you have received a fake email from somebody? How can you verify the authenticity of this fake email? This is something that we will learn in the next video.